guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have imported this file in Substance Painter. So let's start texturing it. So now very first of all, I'll just go over here. I'll just go into this and let's name it as floor over here. So I'll just drag and drop wooden floor texture over here. So let's assign it. So I have some of the textures which I'll be assigning over here. Okay, now looks much better. I'll go into the tiling. I can slightly work with the tiling if needed. This looks better. Similarly, I'll go into this. Let's write wood over here. I'll go into this. We have two stuff. One is smart material as well. We do have. So we can just go over here and we can just take wood over here. That's a gun wood over here for the table. So this looks better. Let's assign this wood. Same wood will be assigning on all of the parts. Now let's go over here. Let's take one more wood texture. So I'll go into this and let's take wood over here on top of it. Okay, and let's take a black mask. Let's add a generator and give a metal edge wear a bit. So if you like this, you can assign it, or else we'll just go over here, original material which we had assigned previously. We can go with that as well. Okay, this looks better. We do have simple finished wood. Can go with that, or else go with this. Take a black mask, add a generator and metal edge wear. Now this looks better. Slightly increase this edge wear. Again assign this antique over here. Similarly onto the top as well. Select this, add a black mask and go into this. Let's again add a generator, give metal edge wear, slightly increase the wear level. So let's go into this. So again I'll assign this over here. Add a black mask. Let's add a generator and add a metal edge wear. Slightly. Alright. So once this is done, let's add a copper. So we do have some copper shaders as well. So I'll just add a copper. We can add some copper shader over here. Perfect. So let's go into file. Let's save this file once. I'll just name this. So let's just save the file. So once it is done, we do have something for the wall. We can add some concrete over here. So we do have a concrete wall, or do concrete dusty. I can take this wall as well if needed, and you can increase the tiling of it. So this looks very dirty, so we'll make it a bit better. So let's add this. So I do have the texture of the concrete. I'll just remove that. So you can add the concrete smooth as well on top of it. Okay. Okay, this looks better. So if we have a frame kind of stuff, we can add that as well over here if needed. Let's go into the smart material. We can add some fabric materials. If we have it over here, we can go with that. So we do have the fabric nylon, we can go with that as well. So fabric ripstop, let's go over here. So different styles of fabric has been assigned, so you can take any of it. So let's go over here. I'll just assign one fabric nylon over here. Yeah, this looks much better for the carpet kind of stuff over here. So for the clock as well, if you need it, we can assign a texture over here onto the top. We can go with some metal. So I can assign a brass over here if needed. So let's go into this. Let's say add a black mask. So gold pure, we can go with something else as well. Add a black mask, and let's go into this polygon fill, add it, subtract this. So I don't want the texture or the material to be added on this part, so I can just subtract it anytime. So I do have a copper, I can assign the copper here. So nameplate, we can make it of a metal. So if you want to make a iron kind of stuff, you can add a iron material as well for this, or you can even add a silver pure material over here. So let's just save the file once. Alright, so for the silver, let's assign a silver material. Let's go into this. Let's add something like this. So I've added an HDRI map. So you can take any of your choice, you can take any of the HDRIs, whatever HDRIs you like, you can just take that. Let's go into this environment exposure. If needed, you can just add a environment exposure as well. So as you can see how we are adding it. So we do have a glass shader as well. If you want, you can go with this. So that is a mirror fiberglass. You can add something glass material over here, so that can be added. You can even change the color of the glass. Okay, we can do that. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial. So I can just drag it.